Okay guys, we are getting there. Number 7. Keeping your sponges too long. Ew! Look, I am absolutely amazed about how many people keep these sponges and they try to squeeze out every little bit of life that's left in this sponge. Trust me, I get it. I'm as frugal as the next girl. But use the sponge, throw it out.
Throw that away.
A week or 2 tops. Get you a variety pack of sponges with different kinds of sponges in them. It's gonna be your lifesaver, okay? You don't wanna hold on to this sponge and continue to use this sponge over and over again. Nice trick is, after you've used the sponge, throw it in the microwave for about 60 seconds, 60, 65 seconds, if that long, maybe 30 seconds. It will cook out, burn out any bacteria or germs, because trust me, the germs and bacteria that lives there, they love a wet, damp sponge or brush. Now, I don't think you realize it, but a sponge that you kept for months and months and months, it's like the dirtiest thing in your house outside of a toilet brush. Ew. So imagine, I don't want to imagine, okay? But it's the same thing. It's the same thing. That bacteria, it lives in sponges and brushes. You don't want to do that. So after a week or so, toss the sponge. Make sure you get you a nice variety pack that has several in there, and just continue. Just go through the process, and when you're done, go get you a new bag. But trust me, you don't want to continue to use one sponge for weeks and weeks and weeks, because you're literally cleaning your surface with bacteria and germs. Just more dirt, okay? Just leaving streaks and spots and just little nasty things that you can't even see, okay? So remember, week, 2 weeks tops, throw it out. Trust me, you will thank me later.